Wow, last night there was a really fun pachanga. Hi everyone, the Spanish word of the day is pachanga. Pachanga. This is a Spanish expression, but it is also a noun. This is a feminine noun and it is mainly used in Latin America. Pachanga means party, and pachanga is a feminine noun. So you can say la pachanga or una pachanga. The plural form is las pachangas or unas pachangas. Now let's see a few examples using pachanga. La pachanga estuvo muy buena. La pachanga estuvo muy buena. Miguel odia las pachangas. Miguel odia las pachangas. Hay que organizar una pachanga para este fin de semana. Hay que organizar una pachanga para este fin de semana. La pachanga acabó hasta la mañana siguiente. La pachanga acabó hasta la mañana siguiente. That was a good pachanga. Quiero una pachanga para celebrar mi cumpleaños. Quiero una pachanga para celebrar mi cumpleaños. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Leave more examples down below using pachanga. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!